Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about our 1-inch wheel spacers safe on your Maserati. Let's go. The special design of this BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency continuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FT cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first FT cooling technique. BONOSS has completed past more than 66 LS standards SGS TÜV test reports and achieved excellent results. BONOSS has been designing and manufacturing wheel spacers since 2007. Professional production experience and excellent product quality makes us confident to provide a super long warranty survive up to 10 years. In fact, wheel spacers good or bad determines the safety of spacers, and the same as wheels, wheel brakes, and body kit. There are only quality products that can ensure driving safety. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.